Hello, my name is Nguyen. I am the Assistant Director of Esports here at Texas Wesleyan University. So the first time I was introduced to gaming was my father bought me a PS2 when I was 4 or 5 years old. And ever since then, gaming has been a really big part of my life. Going through high school, never really thought it was going to go anywhere. It was just a big distraction. But going to college, seeing that, wait, I can actually be a part of something really, really big, a part of something bigger than myself, being part of a team, playing for a common goal, developing those skills, was really when esports kind of opened up my eyes. With us over at Wesleyan, especially TXWES Esports, we believe more of a holistic approach to practices and to esports in general. I encourage all the players to seek therapy, counseling if they need it. Eugene and I are always there to help with whatever mental issues they have as well as give other resources that they need for that. We expect all of our players to eat well, sleep well. We have mandatory team workouts that they have to do as well, because we believe that with a healthy mind and a healthy body will come healthy and good playing. The number one killer of esports in general is carpal tunnel. So we do, before every single practice, every single match, we do hand stretches. And after that, we go into what we call mindfulness, which is basically training the mind, doing some meditation. What I say to people that don't think that esports is kind of big enough or a thing is that esports is a very new and developing program, new developing thing that is getting pretty popular. It's interesting because you would think video games is just staying behind a screen and just playing games the entire day and really not worrying about anything else. But it's actually a lot more to that. It helps build those career skills that you would need, like time management, how to communicate, managing your emotions, and how to work as a team. So the same things that you would get from playing regular sports would transfer almost directly over to how it is over at esports.